You're going to start by cutting your watermelon in half. To make the half stand like a bowl and not roll over, cut a thin part of the bottom. Just like this. Cut your watermelon into small cubes. This will make it easier for you to empty out the watermelon. Just note that you will be cutting the watermelon into smaller pieces later. Cut and peel your mangoes. Now cut your mangoes into small pieces. I did cut them very small because since this is a salsa, you want to be able to fit everything into your tortilla chips. I did go back and recut them, just a little bit smaller with a bigger knife. Place your cut mango into the watermelon bowl and just set that aside for now. Chop your red onion into very small and thin pieces. The smaller the better, especially with things like onions and jalapeños. Cut your jalapeno in half and take all the seeds out. Dice it very small. The smaller the better. This will prevent someone from biting into a big piece. Throw that in the bowl and start cutting your limes in half. And go ahead and juice them. Put that juice lime aside for now and start zesting your lime into the bowl. Chop up some cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can always use basil or mint as a substitute. Once you're ready, place all your chopped ingredients into a larger bowl. This will make it easier to toss. You want to make sure you get all those flavors into mix. I did go back and I cut the watermelon into smaller pieces so it was easier for the dip. And I did find a seed. So go ahead and throw all of that watermelon into your bowl. Add your lime juice and your watermelon juice and just some salt and start mixing it. By the way, did you know that watermelons got their name because they're made up of 92% of water? This makes them the perfect refresher for those hot summer months. Alright, now you're going to pour your salsa into the shell. Look how beautiful this looks. Definitely perfect for a summer party. I did go ahead and taste it, and let me tell you, it was delicious. Thumbs up. Moving on to our next recipe, we're going to use the other half of the watermelon that we have left over. So start by cutting the inside of your watermelon as such. You're going to place the pieces right into the blender. Get as much as you want out. You definitely want to take advantage of all the watermelon. Throw 1 cup of strawberries in there too, and cut your lemons in half and juice them. You're gonna need half a cup of lemon juice. It took about 2 lemons for me to get that half a cup. I did have to strain mine so I wouldn't get the seeds in there. Pour your lemon juice in the blender. And add 1 cup of sugar. You will also need 2 cups of water. And blend that up. You could also add ice if you'd like to make it a more slushy substance, but I went ahead and did it without ice. And I'm totally using that shell as a cup. I did cut out the bottom so that way the watermelon wouldn't roll. And I went ahead and I poured it in. I cut up some lemons just for an extra taste. And of course I had to try it. and it was absolutely delicious. Cheers!